Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to change the gender in your Gmail account or your Google account, then this video is helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can easily change your gender in your Gmail account. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store application and here you have to search for Gmail. And here you have to make sure that your Gmail application is up to date. As I have already updated my Gmail application, so I will just click on open. And after that, you have to click on your profile icon. And here you have to click on manage your Google account. And here in the personal information, you have to click on it. And scroll down and here you can see gender option. So if I want to change the gender, I will just click on gender. And here it will provide you three different options. So you can select any gender option. For example, I select female or I select male. You can select anyone, whatever you want. And here you can choose whether you want to make it private or you want to make it public. I will suggest you only make it private, and after that, after selecting the gender, you have to click on back arrow, and you can see our gender on this Gmail account has been changed successfully. So guys, in this way you can change the gender in your Gmail or your Google account very easily. If this video guide is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.